Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. My name is Melfred D. Lacaba, and I'm excited to share with you my goals and aspirations in life. As a marine electrician, I'm passionate about working with electrical system and machines. My goal in life is to become a successful marine electrician, working on complex electrical system and ensuring the safety and efficiency of marine vessels. I believe this goal is achievable with hard work, dedication, and a strong foundation in electrical technology. To achieve my goals, I'll plan to focus on my studies this semester. I'll prioritize my time and effort to master the concepts and skills required to become a competent marine electrician. By focusing on my studies, I'll be able to gain a deeper understanding of electrical system and machines, which will help me to excel in my future career. This focus will allow me to improve my grades, understand complex concepts, and develop my skills. The subject of electrical instrument and measurements is crucial in achieving my goal. It provides the knowledge and skills required to measure and analyze electrical quantities, troubleshoot electrical faults, and calibrate electrical instruments. By mastering this subject, I'll be able to work accurately and efficiently with electrical system, ensuring the safety of people and equipment. This knowledge will also help me to identify and fix problems quickly, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. In my future career as a marine electrician, I'll be working with various electrical instruments and measurements to ensure the safe and efficient operation of marine vessels. I'll be using multimeters to measure voltage, current, and resistance to analyze electrical signals. I'll also be calibrating electrical instruments to ensure accuracy and reliability. By mastering electrical instrument and measurements, I'll be able to perform this task with confidence and accuracy. Becoming a successful marine electrician required, requires dedication and hard work and a strong foundation in electrical technology. By focusing on my studies and mastering the subject of electrical instrument and measurements, I'll be able to achieve my goals and excel in my future career. I hope you will join me on this journey and support me in achieving my aspirations. That's all. Thank you for watching.